Hello and good afternoon. This is Kuldeep Chaudhary from Health in India. I am at Sheetla Children Hospital. This is one of the super speciality hospital for little kids, neonats, established in the Millennium City of Gurgaon. Gurgaon today boasts of the best infrastructure in the field of healthcare anywhere in India and attracts patients from all over the world. The development which has taken place in the last 6 to 7 years in the field of healthcare of Gurgaon has unfortunately all happened in 5-star hospitals which cater to a very small segment of the population who have loads of money to spare. Sheetla Hospital, which has been serving a larger part of the population, people who cannot afford very expensive healthcare, is the only hospital of its kind which has moved in the super speciality. It started off as a children's hospital. Today it's one of the super speciality in the field of neonatology.
We lose precious lives. That was the time when we decided that we have to stop this transit of these patients. And we came up with the idea of starting a neonatal ICU and a pediatric. We are a team of 3 senior pediatricians, and then there are 4 pediatricians who are working.
What has been the lowest?
Lowest weight has been 570 grams, baby Rani. The child is now 2 years.
Okay.
Still on follow-up. That's the lowest weight birth baby we have seen. Now, इनका भी history बड़ा different था. It was a twin pregnancy. One child died in utero. So one was an IUD. The other girl is a premature baby, 28 weeks. That's less than 7
So
months.
he was telling me this is about 800 gram child. How many days it has been since the child is here?
With us, it's now 4 days.
Yeah.
4 days now. 4 days. The child was born in Delhi. And from Delhi they got the child.
Yeah, he was telling me that they had taken his wife to Saket City Hospital, and there the cesarean section was done, and for the baby they were advised to come to Sheetla, so they came over here, and they are finding even the cost difference is also substantial.
Cost is definitely the difference is there. That is exactly what I said. We have to be honest, trying to run our nursery on no profit.
मैंने चाचा जी से एक ही बात कही थी मैंने कि मेरे को फाइनेंशियली आदमी को देखना पड़ता है, पर मैंने ये भी कहा था मैं डॉक्टर अच्छा हूँ जिससे कि बच्चा सेफ ट्रीट करे. तो उन्होंने आपके बारे में कहा था कि बहुत अच्छी डॉक्टर है सलोनी की, तो वो कहती है वो हमेशा कि
सलोनी with their story. He was telling me he does some business in Uttar Pradesh, got the IVF done in Udaipur, gets the delivery done, so he's globe trotting. It is extremely unfortunate, but that's how healthcare in India is.
I didn't realize that his wife was going to deliver. Had Saloni's father spoken to me earlier, I would have told him to get the lady here, get the delivery here, so that the transit time would have been less.
Not only the transit time, because what he was telling me, even the cost of delivery would have been from 800 grams to the baby's journey to 1500 grams. Typically how many days does it take, give or take a week or so?
Very difficult question, minimum it has to be 4 to 6 weeks. That's
4 to 6 weeks.
1.5 months minimum. I always say if there are no complications, if we are able to wean off without infections one by one. But these children have a tendency to go into infections. So if you get them to feeds, then you have to stop the feeds and then restart them. So that is with their child. The child is off ventilator, is on CPAP, might come out of CPAP in 2-3 days. The work starts whether the child will be able to digest the milk or not.
Okay, so you're saying lungs will start functioning,
and
then the digestive system is what is the challenge?
Although we start with small feeds, even when they are on the CPAP. That's the second line.
So Mr. Agarwal, abhi your wife is in the hospital?
No.
Okay, so you have a relative Gurgaon में जो relative हैं, तो वहाँ से फिर आना जाना?
नहीं, कोई ऐसा नहीं, शॉर्ट बहुत पास में है.
और पीछे बिजनेस की देखरेख?
पापा भाई
अच्छा, वो लोग देख रहे हैं, तो आप उस फ्रंट से निश्चिंत हैं कि?
नहीं, निश्चिंत तो नहीं, मैं अब जाने को हूँ, कल जाऊँगा, फिर 2-3 दिन के लिए फिर आऊँगा मैं। काफ़ी टाइम से 15 दिन छोड़ा हुआ हूँ बिजनेस को, थोड़ा देखना।
तो हम तो यही दुआ करेंगे कि आपका बच्चा जो है, क्योंकि इतने प्रयत्नों के बाद में भगवान ने सुनी है, तो वो बिल्कुल सही सलामत आपके घर पे पहुंचे, आपके आंगन में किलकारियां गूंजे, एंड ऑल वी कैन से इज यू आर इन सेफ।
भी नहीं कर सकती। हाँ। होते तेरे को देखने में डर लगता है, तो तू इंसान का बच्चा लगती है।